You searched how to buy shares of Piscines Desjoyaux SA, so let me show the steps. Piscines Desjoyaux SA builds and installs swimming pools and trades on Euronext under the ticker ALPDX.PA. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALPDX.PA to find the listing. Confirm you have selected the correct Piscines Desjoyaux share from the results. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring and management, and the video description contains a link if you want to visit the example platform.